All right. So I'll go back. So now let me log into my GitHub. Let me log into my GitHub. All right. So I'll go back to my GitHub. So yeah, okay. So see what happened now? I switched computer, right? Are you there?
Yeah.
So I switched computer now from my Windows to my MacBook. Now the power of Git is that I want to go and continue. You know, I want to go and change that stuff to Maths and English. Are you getting it? So what I will have to do here is that I will come here and clone the Git. All right, so what I will do now is that I will come and clone the Git. I'll come and clone this repository. Look at it. This is what I did here. So this is what I did here. So what I will do, I will come and clone it. And how do I clone it? All I need to do is go back to my VS Code. Go back to my VS Code here. Go back to my VS Code. I can open a new project, file. I can do open folder. I can do.
It's just too bad. It's hard. It's hanging.
I
Okay.
think it's your network. That means it should be your network. Can you see it now?
Hello?
Yeah, can you see it now?
Yeah.
All right, so I want to clone the project because I traveled and I got into maybe an hotel. I didn't go with my laptop. But I have access to a computer and I want to work on the project. So what I can just come and do is that I can come to my desktop. This is my document. I can create a new document and say Git of practice, for example, clone. GitHub practice clone. I'll create this is just a normal folder in my computer, right? So I've done that. So I'll open it in VS Code. Now I'll open it in VS Code. Now this is it. You can see my folder is empty. So what the next
Yeah.
thing I want to do is that I want to clone that project into it. So I open my command prompt. Now I'll go back to my GitHub. This is the project. You can always locate your projects from your repositories, right? You can see your projects. These are my projects I've worked. Like most of them they're all mobile apps projects. Now, this is the one we just created now. This one we just created now. I will open it. You will see the details. This is the last time everything was created. You can see the file because we pushed everything the same time. So the timestamp was the same. Now, all I need to do is to click on this drop down icon, this green button. You will see your GitHub repo link. I will copy it. Once I'm done copying, the next thing I will come to my command prompt. I will just do git clone. I'll paste it. This is it. Git clone. I'll paste my repo link. Now I'll do enter. So you can see it now. Within a few seconds, it has cloned my project. Now you can see Git practice. Yeah, sorry, I'm in a class, please. All right, so you've seen the whole project here. Now, what I can do is I can open now I can start working on it, right? But mind you, my directory here is not inside Git practice. So I can decide to go back and open it, like open the clone folder, open folder. You see GitHub practice, you can see it's on my computer now. So I can open the folder. Now I'm on the direct folder. You can see it. I'm on the direct folder. Now look at the link
Let me see
here.
that. Let me see that code again. The command to
The
paste it
command.
in.
This is it here.
Git clone.
Yeah, just git clone. Then the repo link. Are you getting
Okay.
it? Now I've cloned it. Since I've cloned it to my computer now, I can now go back and edit that math and that math to math and English. This is it here. I can call maths and English. Right? This is it. I will save Control S. Now I've made changes, but I don't have this math and English on my repo here. Right?
Mm.
Only have it on my local computer. So for me to back this up, what I have to do is I have to come back here to check it out. Okay, let me check the changes I've made. I'll check again Git status. Oh, sorry. I'll check Git status. Now I've checked Git status. You can see it now because I modified one. You can see I have one. Now I want to modify another one. Look at this loop. Let me say for I is less than 2. Right? So I'll run my Git status again. You see, I have 2 files.
Mm.
If I go and modify something else, this is index.html. I change this to documents. Control save. Now come and run my Git status here again. You see it, I have 3 indicating. Now that tells you that you've worked on three files, so and
Mm.
like this have not been pushed to GitHub. So what do I need to do? I will need to now add it push it to GitHub. And for me to do that, I will run my command git add space full stop. Are you getting it?
Mm.
Now I'll press enter. Now the next thing I will do, I've added it. Next thing I need to do is to give it a description, right? So the next thing I need to do is to give it a description. I'll do git commit -m. Are you there? Are you there?
Yeah.
I'll down to git commit -m. Now what next? I'll put my description. I can just come and say just I just added English, right? I just added English to the maths. Can you see it? you there?
Hello?
Yeah, are you there?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes,
Now, so what I will do, I've given it a description, right? After using the add command, I'll press enter. Are you getting it? So it's telling me git complete username. Okay. Okay, I need to initialize git here, right?
gift add. Please just go back to that add.
All right. Let me clear it again. So now I've made changes. I want to check the changes I made. I'll do git status, right? Oh, sorry, git status, right? So let me clear it and make some more changes. So let me just add documents. Please enter a number once. So I will so I'll do git status. So you can see it. I have it's been modified. Like I have one file being modified, right? Now, what do I need? Now, the next thing I will do is I will do git. I want to now push. Okay, I've made changes to this file. I want to save it to my GitHub now. I'll do git add. Git adds full stop. I'll press enter. I've added it. The next thing is I will give it a description. Right? This push I'm pushing, what am I describing it as? So I can remember in future. I will now do git commit -m. Then now I can say I just wrote something funny. Now this is the description, right? I'll press enter. Now you see for my own screen now, it's telling me that git config, right? Like telling me that I need to configure my username and my email on this VS code. Are you getting it? That's because I've not done on this project now. So what I will need to do is I will need to configure it because Git is not recognizing who I am. I think there's a command you can say Git. Who am I? All right, I can do Git or Git hyphen help. So okay, Git -a. I get it now. This gift IFA, I just saw it, I can read it up. Like add is to add files, AM is to apply series of patches, archive is to create archive. So this is just a thing. If like that time, like people use it like if you're working on DevOps, like that's like publishing mobile application, you'll be using some of all this fetch and the rest. Are you getting it? You might not get to use many of them for the rest of your life. Like me, I've not used a lot of them because it's not focused on my own area of specialization. So now what I will do now is I've seen it. So what I can do is and go back. What I can do is let me commit. Okay. The branch is ahead of this. So I'll do git push. So you look at it, I've pushed it to GitHub down using git push, right? I don't know if you got. Do I explain it again?
Um, I get it.
Yeah. So let me just make one more changes and push again. So I'll clear my screen. So I'll come here. I can come and duplicate this input. I can come and duplicate this input. Yeah, I'll paste it. I've duplicated this input here. I can paste it again. I can paste it here again and I'll save. Now I've done some changes. I want to quickly push. I'll do git status just to check. You must not run it, but it's always good to check. Now you've seen it. It's telling you that I've made changes to this file. Are you getting it? Now,
Mm.
since I've made changes, what do I need to do? I need to add it up, push it to my Git. I will do git adds dot. Now it has added. The next thing I will do is to give it a description. I'll do git commit hyphen I will now say I just played around. Are you getting it? You're not looking. So you see the old steps, right? So this is it. Now press enter. Are you getting it? Now, let me check the last one we just did. Git practice. All right, I can see the last one was 4 minutes ago. So what I will just do is all right, git push. Git push. Now you can see it is pushing. Now I'll go and check it as pushed. I will refresh. You can see it just now. Right now, I go to somewhere else. I want to clone this project. I will just copy it. I can come to my VS Code, come here, create another folder, clone, clone 2. Now, this is clone 2. I can open it on my terminal, clone 2. You can see it I'm on clone 2. So I can clear. I'm on clone 2. You can still go and open it from your folder here. Open folder, you can see git practice, you can see clone 2. I've opened it. Now I have empty the scene. Now I want to clone that project. I've already copied the repo. Look at the repo here. I've already copied it. I'll come back, I'll say git clone. I just paste the repo, I'll press enter. Now I have the project here. Can you see it? Now this is it now. So this is all about Git pushing your code, cloning it. When you get somewhere, you don't have access to your computer, you want to access your code, you have to set up your GitHub by downloading the IDE, installing it, and after that, after installing it, you will you initialize Git in your project. You will use the global for username and for email. Then you can start checking the status. Use your Git add. You can use your Git commit and your Git push. Now, if in the course you encounter any error, right? Now, the best you can do with the aid now is to copy the error or take a screenshot, paste it to ChatGPT to explain it to you. Now, there are different occasions you can have maybe errors pushing, right? There's no one way thing. Like you saw now, this is a light project. Now everything is just smooth. Are you getting it? There are times that it might even be from your GitHub settings. Are you getting it? It's time that maybe some dependency that don't need to be exposed is will be fetched. They will always pop it with the error message. So you always read, find a way around it, sort it out. If you can't sort it out, you can reach out to your network this is how we all started. So there are times you might get difficulty. We reach out to some of our guys that are older than us in the skill. They will give us heads up or put us through. But by default, if your code is working fine, your project is clean, and you follow this process, you will push to GitHub without having difficulty. So that's all. So any question for now about GitHub?
Mm. I don't know. I don't want us to mix this thing. Just I don't know if you can pause this one. Maybe record, save it.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay. Do I should do it in badges, like for Git one, then I'll start for the
Yeah, because I don't think I can. I don't know my capacity of getting all those things at once. Maybe I don't know.
yeah. So far everything has been was recorded.
Yeah, if we do this, let's leave this Git. Then maybe we'll now go back and do the other one. I don't know. Maybe we'll still do it now.
Yeah,
But
we
that
did
one has a
now.
lot of process. Well, just
No,
stop the
that one I don't
recording.
think I have because that was your first day. So we'll be diving into that one now. Are you getting it? So we'll be diving into that one. So now let's move into that one now. So this is how, so before you deploy, we always ensure that we've backed up our project on GitHub. That's the best practice. Then after that, now you've gotten a website. Now, first of all, let me create a website. Let me just quickly create one website. Um, let's open a folder. So, are you there? So, I want to quickly create one just sample page. So I'm creating this page now, this folder on my computer. I want to create a website. Now this is my VS Code, is empty. So I want to create an HTML and CSS website, right? Now you will see how easy it is to deploy HTML and CSS. Now just use ChatGPT. I think let me use my premium ChatGPT. Okay. Um hold on. Okay. All right. This is it. All right, so let me just create a new chat. Now this is it. So just for that, let me use a voice note and just create HTML and CSS chat. Hello, so I need you to create an HTML and CSS website for just one page, and I need it to be like a photography portfolio website. I will need to generate or get your images on your own from Unsplash or and just use as placeholders for now. So I will need to give me a modern design, HTML and CSS that I can just copy and paste. Thank you. All right, so I can do a lot with this one because this is a premium chat GPT. So now this is it. So why is giving us our HTML and CSS? What we need to do, let's create our HTML and CSS file like we learned in the beginning. So
Index
we
dot
have
index dot
index.html, right? Then I'll create the CSS. We have
style.
style.css. Now what I will do is I'll go back to, let me take this close. All right, so this is my okay,
The copy.
let me see. Looking for the HTML. Okay, they put the style in the head. That's just one page site. So I can tell him to
Tell him,
separate it.
tell him
Yeah,
to
but
separate.
let's just okay. Let me tell him to separate it. I need to separate it in two different files: index.html and styles.css. The styles should be the styles.css, and the component or element should be on the index.html. So I'm going to quickly deploy this site in a few minutes. All right, so you might be the one to deploy, right? So I will create this, push it to GitHub. I will give you the repo, you clone it, and you push, right? So we just learn work with us as a team. So I've copied the index.html. I'll paste. So this is it. I'll go back to the styles.css. Styles.css. I'll publish. I'll go check what I have. Where is it? Sorted on documents, websites. All right, so I'll open the HTML with Chrome. So now this is what they gave to me, right?
Let me
Are you
see.
getting it? Now this is what they gave to me and
How
the
did you get?
rest.
Okay, you go to okay, open with okay from the
Open
file.
with Chrome.
Open
Yeah,
with open with
Chrome.
Chrome. Okay.
Yeah. So this is it now. Now let's go back to our VS Code. Now you've seen it now. So what we need to do, let me just quickly back this up on GitHub, like a recap too. So I'll go back to my repository. I'll go back to my repository. I will create a new repository. I'll just give it a name, website free style. All right, so I'll just description teaching how to publish a website. All right. So I'll create repository. So I've created a repository now. So what's the next thing? What do I need to do? I'll go and initialize GitHub on my project, which is this. I'll open my terminal. I'll do git init, right? This I've initialized Git on my project. Well, I'll just come here, copy. I have an existing repo. I'll copy. This is it. I'll copy this command. I'll paste. I've initialized that repo. What next do I need to do? I can make it a main branch. I can just use this command here. Make it the main branch. I've made it the main branch. Now I can come. Oh, what am I doing? All right. Okay. This is it here. So I can come here now. What do I need to do now? I can come and check
Status.
my Git status. Git status. I check my Git status. This is my Git status. I have index and file. I've not actually pushed. So what do I need to do? I need to now push. I'll do git add. Right? I'll press enter. Fine. I'll do git commits. Git commits. I think. What am I committing? I can say I just created a simple website.
Have you git remote add?
Yes, I did
Hold
it
on.
here. Look at
Okay.
it here. So that I
Okay.
follow. I always follow this command. The main thing is to, after initialize it, this one, then you can now start doing the whole addition. Now I'll come here. This is my commits. Now, what next do I need to do? Like I've already added my commit. I will now come and push. Git push. Now it's telling me, look at it now. There's an error. Current branch main has no upstream branch. To push the current branch or offset, I'll set the remote as upstream use. Now I'm telling you to use. That's why you always read this. Now, if you check this one and this one, where is it?
Origin main, yeah, that one.
Origin main, right? It will still work. So let me put this. You can see it. If I had copied this one too, it will still work. Now I'll go back to my GitHub. I'll refresh. Now you can see my index now .html, right? And my style.css. Now I want to borrow you my project now. What do I need to do? I've copied the repo link. Let me send it to you. Done. I'm sending it to you. All right, I've sent it to you. Now you can.
From
I'll send
where?
it on WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp.
All right, I can just let me post
Send
it
it
on
on
the
the
chat.
chat.
Yeah. Let me post it to the chat. I've sent it to the chat. That's my repo, so you can clone it and have the same thing that I have here.
Wait, hold on. Git repo.
So if you are cloning now, since I've given you they want to create a repo. Since I've given you the URL, my repo link.
I'll open new folder now.
Yeah, new folder. Yeah.
On my on my documents, eh?
Yeah, anywhere you feel like.
Git work. So let's open new folder. Where do I? It's showing me this.
Show you what? You can see new now. You see a place to select your desktop or something. You see where
New
to create.
folder. Okay. Git work. My documents. Select folder. So okay. Okay, now I have the new folder. Okay, just wait. Let me do it myself. Put your Git repo. Okay. No. Git. Okay.
Have you
Terminal.
cloned it?
Wait, I'm trying to control terminal. I've opened my terminal. So just wait. Git Don't then I paste the repo. Then click. Yeah, yeah, I did it.
That's cloned, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one,
So
nice one. So you can open it. Open it on your browser. So you can locate it on your file manager. You know where you created it, right?
yeah, I opened it on, documents. git clone. No. Wait. Open. It's supposed to be. I'm supposed to be open with.
Open with Google Chrome.
But am I supposed to click it? No.
Yeah, you click the Chrome, yeah.
No, it's saying I'm seeing open.
You will see open with.
It's not. I can't see open with. Though. That's what I'm trying
Have
to
you
do.
opened the
First,
folder? Have you opened the folder? You right click on the index.html.
wait. The index.html. Wait, on my.
Go to your document. Are you on your documents?
Yes.
Now,
First,
have you, sorry?
the file is here. I've opened the file. Is it
Yeah, right.
index?
Yeah, right click the index.
Open with. I can't find the other things.
Can you see open with?
Wait, I'm not seeing the VS Code, WP admin.
So, calm down. You know, this is HTML. You don't have any business with WP admin here. It's strictly
That's what I'm saying.
HTML.
The file is Git work.
Have you
Yeah, I
opened the
created
Git
it.
work?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. It's not showing. Git work one.
Can you share your screen?
Yes. Sure. I see.
Yes, I can see it. Now,
This is.
go back to your VS Code. Go back to your VS Code.
Okay, let me
This is
drag it.
you are inside university work. Look at you are
No,
inside
see the.
university. You are inside. Look for
See
university
what?
work.
See my documents.
Scroll down,
See
down.
like
Scroll down.
this is where.
You are inside university work. Look at your VS Code. No,
No, this is what I created. This one.
you
Git work.
created that, but you did not open
Uh-huh.
that in VS Code, and you close inside university work. No, that is not it.
Wait, this is my VS Code. I want to show you. This is my VS Code. I opened it here.
Hold
See
on,
what
just
I
hold on, hold
created
on,
here.
hold on, hold on, hold on. We look at index and style injury, that one, university work.
This is the
Okay, this is
style
yeah,
of my
it's
index.
inside here. Go to your Git work now.
Git work, right?
Yeah, go to your Git work.
This is it now.
Open it. Now go put the website freestyle. Look at it now. That's the folder name. Look at the link I sent to you.
Oh, okay, I was looking for this Git work one.
So yeah.
Okay, that's it here. Okay. Okay, I have it here now.
All right, it has opened, right?
Yeah.
All right, so now these are you clone. So when you search, you can search for project on GitHub. So someone gives you project, you can clone it. Then you can now initialize, create a repository, and after making modification and push it to your GitHub. So now I want to push this website now. This one we just created to a live hosting now. So let me share my screen. Now, so I'll come now. I'll go back to my account. Now, what I will do, I will open, let me create a profile here.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, hold on. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, hold on. Let me push this one here. Yeah, I can see your screen.
All right. So
Oh,
now, mm, all right. So now, what I want to do now, I'll go to Stinger. I'll go to Stinger. I'll go to hostinger.com. You can see my screen, right?
yes.
Now, this is hostinger.com now. I can just decide to log in. Let me log in with Google. Now, Hostinger is one of my favorite I like using. Now, this is it now. I've opened Hostinger. You can see it. Now, this is Hostinger. Now, on this my
I
Chrome
can't see
profile.
your screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
All right, so let me log that back. So I went to stinger.com, right? This is it here. I went to Stinger. It's just the same way you can use for any other hosting platform, right? There are millions of hosting platforms. So you will know your favorites. I've used GoDaddy, I've used Bluehost, I've used Google I've used Namecheap, I've used HostGator. I just like Hostinger. Now I've logged in with my Gmail. This is my Hostinger environment now. What I want to do is what I want to do is that I want to upload our website. But for us to upload this website, we need a domain, right? We need a domain. Let me see something. Don't think I've used this account before. All right, this is okay, that's fine. Now, this is a new account. Let me see what the benefit I will have here. Now, I'll go to the domain tabs. The first thing you need for you to get your website ready is to get a domain. I'll go to the domain, right? What I'll do is I'll click get a new domain. When I click get a new domain, it will tell you what you prompt where to search your domain. I'll do core dev up.com. Let's check this. Now, I'm supposed to have renewed it, but the renewal money was $100. Because it's passed about 20 days after expiration. So they needed to charge me $20, I mean 100 extra dollars for renewal. Right? So this one, if for now, this is your actual amount you are paying, but because it's a new account, right?
Mm.
They are giving me all of these discounts. So now I can see call
Only
DevOps.
for 3 years plus.
Yeah, for three
So if
years
you pay
plus.
$20 is going to be for 3 years.
Each for per month,
Huh?
right? Per month.
Oh, $20 per month.
Yes.
It can't be now.
It cannot be.
Wait, let me see.
Now, this is okay. Now they are giving it's now because it's a new account, the cost for 3 years is $59.
For 3 years.
0.97 for 3 years, right?
Mhm.
Then on 2 years, right? This is it, right?
Mhm.
$39 for it now. Now, if I purchase based on they're giving me beginners discount and the domain
Mhm.
expires, I will renew at this.
Mhm.
Are you getting it? Now, for 1 year, now I'm using $90. Now, this is the exact amount. On renewal, I will use this exact, but on the first account, this is what I will use. So now, I don't buy this domain. You can decide to do for clients. If it's for a client, I will buy. I include all these stuffs. You don't have to do any configuration. They're already automated. If they are hosting, they have lots of service. So now this is for codedev.com now. Now what I will do is I'll go to the payment. This is 10.9 for this 1 year, right? So by checking this, you go to your payment gateway. So now I'm getting this now $10.19. So you have different payment method. Me, I like using OPay since Hostinger added OPay to their own hosting plan. So what I would do, all right. So what I would do is I'll click on OPay. All right, so I'll continue. Are you there? All right, I'm coming. OPay. So I've selected OPay, so they will tell you to put your details. Hold on. 20. All right, so I'm crediting my OPay. All right, so they'll tell you to put your details. So I'll just like, all right, so I'll put my details. So then they also ask you to put, they also ask you to put they also ask you to put your pin, of which I will do that. I'll do it on the camera. All right, so this is it. They've also converted it for me. All right, so I'll be making the payments now. Payment failed, why? Hold on. So I'll try it again. 033715275. All right, so I'll do this off the camera. All right, so once you put your credential, we'll try it again. So let's wait for the OTP. 365151. All right, so it's successful. Now I'll purchase that domain name now. No, 9033 715275 City Lagos Region State Lagos. All right. So this is it now. So now this is it. So this is a premium hosting. So now you got in your domain, you need an hosting, right? You will need an hosting. You will need an hosting to make your domain to be live. Now, these are the hosting plans, right? Now, if you click, you can see their plans. This is for 48 months, 24 months. This is for 24 months. This is for 12 months, $43. That's plus $10. That's around 50. That's like $54 in total with the domain. This is for monthly, right? The same way you just make your payment, choose your payment gateway, but I will not get it because I have an active hosting that I can use as the same thing. So I'll skip for now. So now I'll need to verify my email. So I need to verify my email because
So
it's a new
when
account.
you send three hosts in a month or what? What do you mean by the host? What does the hosting?
Hosting that will make your website live. So now I'll purchase Core DevOps, right? I'll purchase Core DevOps now. This is it. So you can go to your domains. Now, I'll look at my domains. I have Core DevOps, right? Now, let me copy Core DevOps and paste it on the browser here. Now, you will see that it will not go. It cannot go because there's just like you have a phone and you don't have where to power your phone.
Same card.
So the whole thing is like the extension box. Are you getting it? Now, where you power your device. So that's how the hosting now powers the website and makes it to go live. All right, so now we've done that. Now I've gotten this. So if you want to get an hosting, you can click on website. You will see sorry or once you click on the website or website, you will see that there's no hosting. You only have hosting. Now your domain is in your domain portfolio. Just like you can buy as much domain as you want. Right? So there are people like the first by four. One of the guys that I worked initially with in Texas, the CEO of Don Pedro Media, right? So is the company is in Crown Estate. So their job is just to keep buying domain name. They own AbujaPeople.com, they own IgboPeople.com, they own YorubaPeople.com. And for Abuja, I think Abuja people, they sold it as at that time 20 million. So there are people that just keep buying names so that it will not be available. So that now you can also go and explore. There are ways you can resell domain after purchasing. You put them for resell. Well, I don't resell domain. But sometimes you can just watch on YouTube and see how they create. Just like affiliate market, they have the way they do it. But it's not something I've not tried it because I can't just be buying domain and be renewing it every year. If someone doesn't buy, I'll keep renewing. So I only purchase for my own use. Now, these are the hosting plans. You can see the different plans,
So this one is
different.
saying one website. This one say three websites, 50
Yeah,
websites.
this one now you
So
cannot. If you purchase on this price, you can only use it on one website. That like just like we just bought one domain, right? If you purchase on this one, right? You can point three domains to it. If you purchase on this one, you can point 50 domains to it. It will power it. If you do this purchase on this one, you can point 100 domain to it. And they also have their features. So you can go through the features and see so you know what works best for you, right? The, the, the more you advance, there are certain web projects you might need maybe mailing system like that of 34th Street and everything. These are the ones I use for them. Thanks, because I use them for SMTPs, mailing on mobile apps, just to use their mailing service, not even the website, right? So that's not done. It's not used in website like normal websites. Is like we are like strictly like maybe onboarding or things that have to do with authentication. Now, this is the hosting plan that can host our site. So, for example, they are giving you 1.9 for depend on the time, plus 3 months free, 80% off, right, per month. Now, by default, when you are renewing on this one, you'll be renewing on $10, 9.9 per month, right? This one you'll be renewing on 11 for that $12 per month. This one you'll be renewing on $18, $19 per month. This one you'll be renewing on $28 per month. So if, for example, you are choosing this plan in a month, like in 48 months, 345, in this 194, in this 107, in this 27 for 1 month, right? Now I can decide to choose this one. 1 month. In as much as you're putting 1.9, when you click it, this is 1 month. For just 1 month, that's $11.
$10.
I mean $10. $10 for 1 month. Now for 12 months, this is what you're burning for 12 months. But you are renewing on this price. Because we used to have issues with clients. At times when you charge them, then when they are renewing, I will charge you $119, which is almost 170 something thousand. And you'll be complaining, why will I pay such to renew my website? And I will still charge you for renewing my own services. At the end of the day, they'll be like, it's too much. But it's your hosting platform that is charging you. Now, this is it. So now you continue to payment and you make your payment. The moment you make your payment, you always come to your website and you click all websites. Now, if you have an active hosting plan, you won't see this window. You won't see this window here. Now, I have my domain here. In your domain, you can see your domain. If you can see add new domain, get new domain, transfer. If you have a domain somewhere, they will charge you $25 for transfer. For get new one, it will take, if you click it, it will take you where you will start searching for domain. So for now, I just purchased one domain now, which is called devob.com. Right, it expired around January. So because I didn't want to pay the $100 and something to renew it, and I was busy with work, so I was not really taking more trainings. So I just I left it to wrap up my current
I
section.
can't see
Then,
your I can't see your screen.
okay, why is it cut here? Can you see it now?
Yeah.
All right. So now, like I said, in your platform, not all different platform has different interface. Are you getting it? So you cannot just learn all and cannot utilize all. They have over 1 million hosting platforms. Even the ones you've not SiteGround. There are plenty, even when you've not heard of, you will keep coming across them. Not all of them are efficient. Some of them are scam. You host your site, after 1 week, your site is shutting down, server is down and everything. But yeah, and there are cheaper ones. I use Hostinga because Hostinga is expensive and their services are good. You can go to Namecheap and buy this thing cheaper, right? Now let me give an example of Namecheap now. You can check Namecheap. So this is Namecheap. You can check Namecheap. Then see if they allow for quick sign up. it not allows for quick sign up. Let me just try ambassador um choose. Okay, it's on in the 1970. Okay. Oh. Now, so I've created the account, right? So let me just verify the email. They always want you to verify. Let me refresh. All right, so this is it now. Now you can see this one now. If you look at it, the interface is different. You have your domain list. It show you if you purchase domain. Now I can come and look for like go for devorg.com. If you tell me it's already purchased. So you can see these ones now. .NET, they are giving me $12.4. .NET is actually more expensive for this. I've already registered this one. Are you getting it? They won't tell you it's registered in 2025. Are you getting it? Yeah, I just renewed it. This one. So now you can see different ones. Different ones. They have cheaper ones, but they won't. You might not like their extension. So this is for this thing. Now you can always see hosting. You always use shared hosting. Now you can see their own, right? Now this is giving you. This also is giving you free trial. Then you pay 2.8 per month, right? Now, if for yearly, but for monthly free trial, you pay $5.88 per month. Now, this is 1.8, like you pay $1.88 per month, 3 websites. The same thing with this one. This one monthly you pay 7 point something dollars per month. You have unlimited websites. And you see it. Now they are cheaper. They will give you unlimited, but me, I don't use them. But people use them more. Are you getting it? But hosting that will give you at this cost, where is it? Yearly, monthly, they will give you $11. They give you $11 for 3 websites. Are you getting it? Now let's compare that of Hostinger. Okay, Hostinger is here. Now this is the website. Now you can see Hostinger. They are giving you this one. Now when we choose this plan now and we choose 12 months, this is 12 months. You are getting $32, right? And it will only take for one website. This is this, which is this one. 12 months. It will take for $32. Are you getting it? Now, this is Hostinger. Hostinger will give you 3 websites. Are you getting it? Now, if you look at it check it now for $26.8, right? For 3 websites, Hostinger is giving you 30 something for just one. Are you getting it? Now that's how they work. So they
Yeah.
are different one. Bluehost is there, but Hostinga is actually one of the expensive ones, and that's what I prefer using. Now, same thing with the hosting. You can purchase your hosting. Now we've gotten our domain. Now I have an existing hosting. Are you getting it? I have much funds. I will say, let me purchase hosting. No, but we
You
still
have
do
an
it.
existing hosting. Where?
Yeah, I have an existing hosting. So I have an existing hosting in this account, right? So this is so now look at it. This is same hostinger, but different account. This is the other account, right? This is this one. I have because I have some jobs here. Now, if I go to my domain portfolio, you will see I'll see my domains I have on this site. You can see them, the ones I bought. Okay, no, these are not them. More options, domain portfolio. You can see the ones I bought on this site, right? Now, I still have, let me show you another hostinger.
No, let's just go straight. Let's just go. I understand. I used to buy host. Let's just go
Okay.
how to move it
All
to a
right. So
license.
now I'll go to websites.
Mm.
All websites. You can see my websites I have. I have about 13 of them on this hosting,
Mm.
right? Now I want to add this one. Now the hosting plan I bought can allow me to take about 20 something plan. They've changed that plan. It's no more there. They blocked it, right? That was what they changed to this 50. Now I will click on add website. Now I can add any of these, but by default I just add a custom PHP slash HTML site. Now I will put my domain name, right?
Mm.
I'll put my domain name. So next. So connecting core dev up to your new site means your old site will be moved to this. Your free email plan will be reset and any linked email will be deleted, right? So you confirm and
Mm.
I want to redesign the website. I have a student I want to use it to teach. So now you said I bought the domain in other account. I'm pointing it to this place, right? Now there are cases, there are some sites that might ask you for verification either via email. I don't know if you're getting it to ensure that you have access to that domain. So, but whenever you are connecting, once you click add website, you will just follow the instructions.
Mm.
So let's give this some time.
Okay.
All right. So domain connected now. My domain is connected.
Mm.
I getting it. So if you go and look at it now, you will see I'll go to all websites now. You need to claim your email. Go to websites. I'll go to all websites now. I will look for core dev. Let me check. Now, where is core dev?
See it there.
I know this is the old one. Hold on. Let's connect it again. Core dev on this domain. Use it. So it says registered in another provider. So you verify it when you connect it to your site. So let's go. Let me refresh it. That it takes some minutes for the domain to fully propagate. All right, domain is added to your site. Continue. Now you can see it. Now I can visit this site now. Call DevOps. After some time it will open. Now you can see now. This is my website. I have it now. I've added it now to the website. I can go to the dashboard. Let me refresh. All right. Now you can see it. I've gone to the dashboard. You can see now this is how your environment look. Now this is different from this Hostinger part. Well, for you to get there, you click on websites. You see your website. For you to select the website you want to work on, I'll click on this. It will take me here. I can switch in between websites. See my list of websites. Now,
But
no,
this one that you're opening now, because you have a domain there already, right? You've paid for the
no,
hosting there.
I have an hosting already on this account. It's still
Okay.
the same thing with this one. If you have an hosting, you will just see your hosting plan. Then you will see add websites. They are both hosting.
Okay.
So you want to click on
Okay.
websites. Even if you delete all your website, you just see a blank space here. But you see this button and this button.
Right
I,
website.
so
Okay.
once you just add website, you will tell you what which one you want to add. I always choose this custom PHP because I just need it empty. Now it will tell you, even if you bought the domain on the hosting on this same account and the domain, are you getting it? It
Mm.
will tell you to put the domain name, only if it's on the same account. Now I can decide to buy my domain because it's cheap on Namecheap and buy my hosting on Hostinger and connect them. Are you
Okay.
getting it? Now
Yeah.
that's how it works. So now once you purchase it, you see your website, you see the button. So if you've added it, connected, you follow the prompt like we did. Now you click dashboard. You will see the dashboard. You have your file manager, you have your database, you have your WordPress, the overview. You can install WordPress and everything. Now, yeah, what I will do, I'll click file manager. Now, file manager, it shows where all your files are. Now, this is my public HTML. Are you getting it? Hold on. Let me check this website. All right, okay, the website even retained it. They retained it. All right. So now this is the website, right? Now, just like what we discussed in the last class, our files by default, where is it? Our files by default were like, where's the file manager? Are in the public HTML, right? Are you getting it?
Where is it? Where do you find this public HTML?
Yeah, you click on file manager.
Mm-hmm.
It will open your file manager. Look at it. You see public HTML. Are you getting it? I will open this is my public HTML. Right. Now, what I will do now, I can decide now to still come back to this place. Inside my public HTML, I can decide to have a new folder. So where is it? So let me just right click it. Um, Let me just do new folder here. Now, new folder can be castle site, for example. Castle site, I'll create it. Now I'm a public HTML, I have castle site now. What I can come and do now, I can come and upload that my HTML. Now, what do I want to upload? I want to upload file. Now I'll go back. Where's my HTML? That's document,
Public HTML, new file, or new
GitHub
folder,
practice,
new
clone.
folder.
No. This is my file manager. I want to open it. I'm not creating a folder. Let me explain again. This is my file manager, right? I created a new folder inside my public HTML. I opened the folder I created. Now I want to upload my index in the HTML and style.css here, even without using FileZilla, because it's a lightweight site. So you can see your upload. I'll click the upload. I'm uploading files. Now, let me look for my code index. Where did I create them? So I can just check it here. PWD. Okay. Document website deploy teaching. So document website deploy teaching. So you can see it. I can highlight it and open. Now you can see it. I've opened it. Are you getting it? Now, let me go to core dev all, because by default, your core dev all file is inside your public HTML, which is the entry to your server. And we first of all display whatever you have in your core dev up. I can come here and add castle sites. Now, you can see it now, it's live. Now, if I send you this link now to the chat, if I send you this link to the chat, you can see you can access the website. Are you getting it?
But why? But what if you did not put slash castle light?
That because
Is
this
it
castle
public?
light is where your index and style. Look at it.
That's what I'm saying. But this is your public HTML. If it's for a new website, there won't be
Yeah,
anything there, right?
there
There
won't be
won't be
anything.
anything there.
You just put it inside here. Are you getting it? Now, like HTML, you don't need FileZilla. You can just upload your site. Are you getting it? Because they are lightweight websites. So, but when you're working with WordPress, that's why you started like FileZilla. Are you getting it?
Mm. Okay.
All right, so now the way I have castle here, right? I can still come inside here again, my public HTML. I'll make sure I always click my public HTML. I can come and say Kali Word, Kali WordPress. Are you getting it? Kali WordPress. I've created, it's not inside here. Where is it? Kali WordPress. Look at it now. I've created Kali WordPress. This is an empty folder inside my public HTML. I can decide to put a WordPress site here.
Without using FileZilla.
But I will use FileZilla. WordPress is they are large because you can see the number of, like you say, your WordPress folder project when you upload it, that's over 10,000 files. Are you getting it? Now, you can upload it here, you can zip it and upload. But most times, before it even gets to like 40%, you will discover that your net, like your code, it will start breaking. And at the end of the day, your project will never run. So the most times it's easy to use FileZilla, so you can have track of your your upload. You can check the queue. You will see the one that failed and everything. Now, just for example, now I want to upload my website to FileZilla, to this Kali WordPress. In my FileZilla, you have the local site and client side and remote
Oh,
sites.
that one's under confusing thing there.
All right. So Now, let me go to my FileZilla now. All right, so let me look for FileZilla. All right, so close down. So I'll show you now. All right, so where's the FileZilla? All right, so this is my FileZilla open now, right? Are you getting it? Now, I told you that in my FileZilla, um downloads, where did I get this site from? So my FileZilla now, you can see the local site here, right? And you can see the remote site. Are you getting it? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Now, so for me now to push the like this is a WordPress file in my download public HTML. So I think this is a backup I downloaded. So let me go to my downloads and check. Hold on. All right, so now let's check my downloads. Now, um, uh, open it info. I'm trying to get that public HTML. May 18th, May 25th. When was our last class? I thought that was on the last class. Okay, now look at the public HTML here, right? Now this is public HTML that I downloaded, right? So now, just like we have it in our now this public HTML, what's inside is we have a website inside, right? I cloned a website. I just downloaded it. And how do you download? Now, how do you download is for now this is how you download. You can see this is my public HTML. I can just do Control A. You can see download
Where?
in your this hosting. You can see my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I download it, we download everything here to my computer. I can decide to click only this one, cast through this. Cast if I download, we download to my computer. So I downloaded a WordPress site. Now, this is it. Now I want to push that WordPress site into Kali WordPress. Are you getting it? Now, how do I do that? I will now have to go back to my FileZilla. I will locate the place. This on my local computer, which is on this side. Where is it? It's located inside downloads, public HTML, right? Which you can see it here. This is my download folder. You can see public HTML. This some was downloaded, I think 16th of April, yeah. Yeah. So this one was backed up. By that, my date is not correct. Today is, I think I downloaded one again now. Hold on, let me check. Um, Hold on. April 16th, public H. Okay, are you serious? All right, so this is it now. So I'll upload that website there. Let's see what it looks like now. Now I'll see it now. So if you look at it, this is the folder. If it's in your HT docs, you will navigate to your C drive, your HT docs. You can find your way around here, right? Now you navigate your way to your C drive, your HT docs. Now you will now, if you open your HT docs and open the maybe WordPress 2, you will see that the content of WordPress 2 will open here. You can do Control A. This is what you have here. Are you getting it? Now, for you to push this to that server, we need to connect our server to this FileZilla so that we can connect it. Now you can see not connected to any server. Now, for me to connect it, what I will do is I'll go back to this website. This is it. I can go to, you will see accounts. Sorry. You go to files. Now let me start from the hostinger back. In the hostinger, I'll go back to my website. You will see core DevOps, the one we just purchased. I will click on dashboard, right? You will come here and you will see core DevOps. You will see the things you can do under core DevOps. Now I will click on files. You will see FTP accounts. FTP is called
Wait,
File Transfer
wait, dashboard.
Protocols.
Dashboard. Uh-huh.
So when you go to,
And dashboard, go.
you go to files, under files. You can take screenshots too. You go to file,
Files and
under files,
FTP.
you see FTP accounts, file transfer protocols. Now I'll click on the FTP, right? Now you will see now I don't have any FTP accounts. Now this is for core DevOps. You can see the details. What I will do now is I will take, maybe I can just give it a name. Or there, you can give it your username, and I can give it a password, for example. Like for a password, for example, I'll say ny9 ben at 72. So I'm giving it a password now, right? Now what I will do, it already exists. User already exists. So this user already exists. I can change it to Ned. Let's change to Ned. Now, I've created this FTP account. Now, this is your FTP host, right? This is your username, the whole of this, right? You know your password. Now, I'll copy my FTP host. In case it takes you out of this place, maybe mistakenly click dashboard, right? You just go back to that files, FTP account, you will see it. Now, you can also see your now you can see your host name now. Yeah, you can use this one. You can use this one, but I prefer using this one now. Now, I'll go to my FileZilla. You will see the host name. I'll paste it in the host name, right? You can see the host. Then I'll go and copy the username. This is the username. I'll copy the username, right? I'll copy the username. I'll paste the username.
On the
Now,
hosting now, on the
from the FTP account, now you know you see the user you created. You see the details here. Now you will copy it, the username. I'll paste it. Now for my password, I know my password. I'll do Niben at 72. Now I'll check for my ports. Now they usually give a port number. Now what port number? You can see the FTP port here when you scroll up,
yeah.
right? You can see it here, right? 21, right? 21. Now I'll put the port 21. So can you see?
Yeah.
Now 21. Now put it now. Now these are the credentials after creating. What I will do next, I'll do connect. Now let's see, host name does not match the certificate. Okay, so let's say the host name. So let's but it has connected. Are you getting it? So these are what you just put. Then you see it has connected. Let me try using this other host name, the IP address. Let's check it. Control V. Port 21. About previous connection and current tab. Let's see. Now this one worked without. Are you getting it? So, but they are all host name. You can see FTP host name via connecting via IP. This is connecting via URL, active host name. Are you getting it? So now you can see I have Capsule website. I have everything that I have on my hosting and my public HTML. You can see the Kali WordPress, right? Now, if I double click it, you can see it is highlighted here. That means my directory is empty. And if you check my file manager here in Kali WordPress, it's also empty. There's nothing. Now I want to push my local WordPress into that place. Now, if it's in the normal this thing, in the normal normal domain, you can do it on the this thing that you will see all these things. This is the public HTML, right? It should be totally blank. You can swear highlight everything and delete if you see anything there. Are you getting it? That means it will just be an empty public HTML. Now you might have projects where maybe it's a multi-purpose firm. They have hotel, they have supermarkets. Are you getting it? They have supermarket, they have gym, they have laundry, and you want to use one domain name. Are you getting it? Now you can say www.codedevelop in your public HTML, you will do /laundry. So if you go to codedevelop/laundry, you will see the laundry website as a standalone website. Are you getting it? You create on that folder hotel, www.codedevelop.com/hotel. You will see that of hotel. Now, look, if now why this thing works is when you are working with enterprise organizations, especially getting them on Upworks. Are you getting it? These are companies, they have different multi-purpose firm. They want just one. Instead of me to go and buy CodeDevOps Hotel, CodeDevOps this thing, I can just use one domain name. Are you getting it? And it will work that way. Now, so I've created, this is like laundry. Right now, it's two of us are working on the laundry site. They have another guy is working on the hotel. They have another guy is working on the maybe the supermarket. Now you create our directory, our own job. We upload it to our own directory. Now, if you look at it, then you can see the directory here, Kali WordPress. For me to push, all I need to do is to come here, do Control A. Are you getting it?
To push what?
So now this is my local computer, right? You can see now I want to push my files either from my htdocs or wherever I have my WordPress file to my live server. You can see remote. Now for you to get here, you have to connect using your host name, your FTP host name, your username, your password, and the port number. Now, once those credentials are correct, you will now see that there will be a directory here showing your public HTML. Now, this is the default. You see your public HTML. Now, I want to push my local site. Look at my local site to my remote site, which is my live server.
So if it's
Right?
the HTDocs you want to push from this left side now, if you
No.
only go there and click it.
Okay, I didn't get that.
If you want to push the job from your HTDocs, so you go to this left side, the local
Yeah,
side.
you see local sites. You navigate to where you look for where your htdoc is.
You click it, then when the file comes out, you copy everything.
When you see it now, you open HTML, you click on the WordPress file folder, like WordPress 2 you have, right? Now the content will display below.
Mm.
Now once it display, you can now you move your cursor. You can move your cursor.
Mm.
You click it, and all you just need to do, make sure before you do that, make sure the directory on your remote server you're trying to push to is
It's
already
empty.
open and possibly empty. Like I'm using Kali WordPress. This is it. What I need to do now is I'll do Control A on the local side. This down part here. Control A. Look at it. If I want to just upload, maybe I created one page and I want to add that page to the site, I can come and click only this one. But now I'm pushing the full folder. So what I will do is I will highlight everything, Control A. Then I will right click. So please pay attention now. I'll right click. You will see upload. Right?
Mm.
You will see upload. Now, once you click upload, what it does is it automatically starts pushing files to the remote side. Now you can look at it now. You can see the number of files queuing up below here. Now in here, I have over 16,000 files.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see it, queued files. Yeah, it's still calculating. We have about 16,000 plus, right?
So when it
Yeah.
pushes to this side now, because now I don't feel like when it pushes to this side now, how do you now
Yeah.
send it? How do you now make it live on the website?
It will already automatically go live. Look at it now. Kali WordPress now. This is it. Now, what I will do now, let's push that HTML and CSS to another folder. So in my public HTML, I'll create a new folder now and I can call it photo. I can call it photo, right? Now, this is
But I want to
photo.
ask you, why you are creating new folder is because this your public HTML now is already on a website, right?
Yes.
So if it's for a fresh
So
job, you don't need to create anything.
Public HTML is always on a not always on a server.
It's already on a server. That's what I'm saying. So if you want to paste the WordPress this thing to it, you have to create a new folder.
No, but that, so but if you want the default, like for example, Core Dev Hub to be the
Mm-hmm.
default site, you
Mm-hmm.
just
Mm-hmm.
upload, you just go to your public HTML, delete everything you have inside here. You can see your delete button here.
Mm-hmm.
Once you
So
delete it,
when you open this public HTML, must you see something there?
you always see a default file. You see just one particular file for Hostinger. Different website has their own way. Are you getting it? But whatever that is inside there is not needed. You will delete everything inside. Are you getting it?
Mm. Okay.
So now the public HTML is a folder name, just like you have like this photo. Let me rename this to photo gallery.
So that's what I'm saying. So if you now on this your public HTML, create a folder and download something there, whatever. If you open on the website and put slash that folder, is going to
Yeah,
open
it
the
will
website.
display provided your website is intact and can run. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now, this is photo gallery now. Now, if you go back to your FileZilla, you will see it that you will have photo gallery. Let's go back. Look at it now. Let's look for photo gallery. Hold on. Private. Now, what we want to do on that connection now, and let's upload to that. So what I can do here is I can come. Hold on. I can come here. What I can do here is I can click Quick Connect. Are you getting it? I'll click Quick Connect. I'll put my port number, right? I'll click Connect. It will tell you establish a new connection in a new tab. About previous connection, connect in current tab. I'll click this first one so I can have two tabs. Now, if you see now, I have two tabs here. This first one is for the first one going. This second one is for this one, right? So now I'm on this second one now. I want to push that HTML and CSS. This is for WordPress. Now for the HTML and CSS, it was on documents. Inside documents, it was on website deployed. This is it. You can see it. Now I will open I should have photo gallery here. Let me see if it's not inside this I created photo gallery. Let's see where we created our photo gallery. Public HTML. So let me see. Look at photo gallery, right? I've refreshed it. Now we open it, right? Now this is the HTML and this is the CSS, right? I'll just right click and upload.
So when you create on the what was it called? At the when you create at the what was it called? Sir? This other place now.
Where?
When you create there, because you've linked it to this FileZilla, it will appear on the site on the.
Yeah, like you're not on this. Is not your computer. This is your server. That's why they say remote sites. Remote means you are logging into somewhere,
But it's
right?
taking the details from that side.
Yes. Now you can actually the way you can move around in your live server. You can also, because you're already connected using the credentials. Are you getting it? Now this local is so what you can do, I can be checking both. Are you getting it? You can also click and even drag. Now, why it will not be like it will enter queue, right? It will enter queue because there are files on the queue. It's one software running the so you can if you have like 5 websites to deploy a night, you can just load them and go and sleep. When you come back in the morning, you will see the failed ones. You will see the success, and you can see successful 960 something files. Let's go there now to it was Castle site, right? No, well, what was it?
Photo
No,
gallery.
Kali WordPress. Now you can see them coming, they're already entering, right? They're already entering. Now if I do / Kali WordPress, because it has not finished, so I'm likely to get error because some things that will make other codes to work and not. So I'll just come. So it's still pushing it. There's no way, you have to wait. So for it to be done, you have to possibly see on 15,000. You have to leave it. That's why we use FileZilla. So FileZilla, even if it stops, you can continue. Are you getting it? I can go back to Kali WordPress here and to be checking track of what is being uploaded. So that's how it works. Are you
Okay.
getting it?
Yes. Let's
Then
call
if
it
I
a
want
day.
to down now, for example, now look at that photo gallery we uploaded. Now, where is it? So, hold on. Where's the photo gallery? Look at it now. No, it's not. No, there's one we did the first time. What was that one? Was it Castle? Now, this is it. Yeah, the one that we uploaded that photo website. Look at it now. Now, this is on my live server. Now, I want to like back it up. For example, you don't have the backup code. You lost it. Now, or you didn't push it to Git, but you still have access to the server. What you can do, you can just highlight it on the remote. Once you right click, you will see that you will see download. Can you see it? So on the live server, for example, you didn't back up to GitHub, but you have access, still your site has not expired. But once your hosting expires, you will lose your file, right? Now you can come here, like I can come and highlight these ones, right? Right click it, you will see download. When you download it, now you see it will download to your computer. Are you getting it? It will download to your computer. But for this side, you see it's upload. You can, because you're on your computer, you cannot download what's on your computer to your computer. But you can upload what's on your computer to the live server.
Okay.
Right? Same thing with your remote server. You cannot upload what's on the remote server there. And then you're downloading it to your computer machine. Are you getting it? So that's how it works. So if, for example, we uploaded these two files just inside the public HTML, right? In the URL, in this URL, all we just need to do is just codedevup.com. Are you getting it? Codedevup.com. Are you getting it? Now, if, for example, CodeDevOps, we have maybe we create a login portal for these programs. Now, we also have on that one for maybe cyber security. I don't need to go and buy codevopsecurity.com. Are you getting it? I'll just go into my public HTML. I'll go into my public HTML. I'll create a folder. I'll create a new folder, cyber security, so that then I can even come here. I can even come to this place, this button, add one button here, one page here, cyber security. I will not design it. I'll just put the link. Are you getting it? You see it in your WordPress dashboard. Just change the link and put core DevOps slash security. Are you getting it? Now use that to just come click it. They think they're on the same website. Hello. Hello, Timmy, how far? I'm fine. What's up? Sorry. Now? What time? Can we do 9:30? What of 9?
Are you busy right now?
Yeah, I'm out. I went to the market. I'm out. Yeah, I just go to the market now. I'm out.
Please,
Possible what?
possible for it.
No, I can't meet up before 8. I'm already out.
What am I now saying?
I know I'll get home before like within 1 hour. 9 is fine by me. But I said I'll join virtually if I'm driving. I can join virtually. I can join without being on video. We can do 8:30 then. Possible I might be on my way home.
Be on video. Be on the phone now.
Yeah, I'll be on the phone, yeah. All right, I'll try to work with that time, yeah. All right. Oh, sorry, can you hear me? I mean, brother. Hello? All right, sorry. I'm gonna have on that class.
That might tell you, go end this one. This one, I don't my head don't full. Just pause this thing. At least I don't get some things today. They're clearer than the other day.
All right, so what I would do, right?
Just pause the record. You record the video,
Yeah,
then
I
send it to
recorded
me.
your section.
Send it to me as an email. So I have it in my email.
All right.
Hmm.
So this is how we. This is how we.
Yeah. So
This is
let
how
me.
we.
Yeah. Let me. I'll play with it and see
You
what
can
happens.
create a folder, put on that website inside. Come to this button, put that URL. Let me call them
Mm,
/gym inside there. Visit our gym. Now that's if you want to. Now when they click the gym, it will be a full different website on its own. That's the about for the gym. That's how you see government website. That's how they really operate. Are you
mm,
getting it? One government body operating on having the multiple maybe agency under them. So they use one URL. That's why you always see slash maybe a page name with hyphen. You know,
mm,
those government sites. That's how because they cannot purchase multiple sites. They use one and manage everything inside.
mm.
All right, so that's it for now.
Yeah, no, so tomorrow, what time?
So tomorrow I can work on with maybe our morning hours. So you prefer evening
Yeah,
tomorrow?
maybe. Yeah, evening will be fine.
Okay, that means I'll just step into the office tomorrow now.
Evening will be fine.
I had a physical training, but I wanted to push them for virtual in the evening tomorrow, then taking the money. But that's fine. I'll just do their physical during the day, then we do virtual in the evening.
Okay. Our area, yeah, they don't. Our light, I don't know what happened to it. I think transformer or something. So I've
Oh.
been using gen since. I need to go and buy petrol before it gets
All
too
right.
late.
So that's fine. It was it's even okay. So it was the log section today.
Yeah. But I think this one is more. I swear that last time I don't get
No,
anything.
that I told you now. You see, everything if you did it again, that's why I said let me that's why I wanted to record it because otherwise I will keep reteaching it. But if you can, since it's our own one-on-one video dedicated section, when you're watching the video, you understand everything. Are you
Yeah.
getting
So
it?
please just send me this one
All right, so I will
through
compile
my
it.
email.
Yeah, let me try and
Send it through
stop
my
the
email.
recording.
Send it through my email.
All right, stop
Yeah, because
recording.
my sister wants to. I want to build a website for her. She does this